Welcome to our guide on using Google Drive offline. Today, we'll explore how to access and work with your files without an internet connection. Using Google Drive offline has many benefits, such as being able to work anytime, anywhere, regardless of internet availability. Let's start by setting up Google Drive for offline access. It's easy and can be done in just a few steps. Go to Settings in Google Drive and enable offline access. This will allow your files to be available without internet. Now, let's select the files you want to use offline. You can choose specific documents, sheets, or slides. It's important to know how file availability works. Your offline files will sync once you reconnect to the internet. You can access Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides offline just like you would online. They're fully functional. When working offline, feel free to make edits to your documents. They will be saved for when you're back online. Once you're online again, Google Drive will automatically sync your changes, ensuring everything is up to date. Lastly, let's address some common issues you might face with offline access and how to troubleshoot them.